Hey everybody, welcome to Geotech and More. In today's video on Geotech and More, I'd like to show you this cool operating system called Haiku OS, which is based on BeOS, which was an operating system from the 1990s that's discontinued now. BeOS ended in the mid-1990s, but these people decided to continue the operating system, and it's called Haiku OS. And Haiku OS has been going since 2001, and it runs BeOS programs and stuff like that. It's a continuation of BeOS, and it's in beta stage, but it's very close to becoming stable. And I'm trying this out in live mode on a DVD, and you can install this to your computer, and I'm going to check it out now in live mode. I'm going to click try out Haiku. So here's the desktop right here, and there's applications, including a web browser called Web Positive. I'm starting it up now. This is a WebKit based web browser. Here's the user guide for Haiku right here, and it's really a neat little operating system. Right here I'll show you a website you may know, distrowatch.com, where you can download GNU Linux distributions as well as BSD, as well as Haiku OS and many other operating systems. So here's distrowatch.com. I'll provide all links in the description to this, where you can download Haiku. So this is the web browser, and yeah, so it's really neat. And there is a package manager, which I'll show you once I find it. Haiku Depot. So here we go. I'm going to start it up. This is a package manager similar to a Synaptic, like Ubuntu or a Debian or Linux Mint, what they use on the GNU Linux distributions. And you can search for many applications and programs like VLC. This is running in live mode, so it's a little slow. Here's VLC, and you can download applications. And they have a OpenShot video editor, which I did a video on. OpenShot video editor is available. Right here is OpenShot. It's available for GNU Linux, including Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac computers and stuff like that. OpenShot is awesome. So it's also on Haiku. So there you go. It plays media out of the box and everything. Really cool operating system. I'll put all the download links in the description. In a second I'll show you how it plays multimedia, and there you go. Give me one moment, friends. Alright everybody, so I'm back. So I plugged in a USB drive, and I'll show you that media plays right out of the box with this. There you go, there I am. Geotech and More. See video right out of the box. It plays right out of the box. This is off the live DVD. It's a band that I checked out and I filmed. I don't know the name of the band, but I don't want to get copyright infringed, so I'll close it. Multimedia plays right out of the box. There's a cool band, actually, Shun and Knife, that I'll show you real quick. Really cool band from Japan. Plays right out of the box. Haiku is actually a name for a form of Japanese poetry, so it's fitting to play Shun and Knife on my video here for Haiku OS. Haiku OS is actually out of Germany, but it's made by developers from around the world. People are helping to create this operating system, which is awesome. It's free, and it's open source, so there you go. So yeah, I'll provide all links in the description to check out this operating system. I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. Be safe, be well, and yeah, take care everyone. Bye now.